Hello friends, welcome to our Rockstar Virat Power YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn about the live English session, that is of slideshow. Actually, this video will be more helpful for you because the students for nowadays have various different type of competition held in the online process because of COVID-19 also, and various types of events also happen, so that student must prepare the PPT or the project and the workshop session they have to attend. That's why the live English session is too useful for the students. So in this video we are going to learn slideshows. Slideshows are useful for what purpose? Slideshows are useful for note making purpose. Slideshows are useful for proper documentation, which points you have read previously. Slideshows are important for your projects also. That's why I think students should learn this topic very carefully. See, making PowerPoint presentation is important. Read the following paragraph about the PowerPoint. You will get some more information regarding that also. See, a PowerPoint is like a magical wand that makes you a wizard in presentation skill. There are innumerable uses of PowerPoint, and it has been one of the most popular applications of Microsoft Office since the very beginning. A slideshow can help teacher deliver a lesson, illustrate historical and geographical facts and data, easily display and analyze statistical information, or in training purpose. Slideshow can be valuable tools for learning. See, it is valuable for learning and sharing for the learners also. Whether presenting at annual events, science meets, or convincing parents to get gadget, PowerPoint presentation are very useful. Like, see, Gaskins has saved our hours in painstakingly handcrafting display by inventing PowerPoint. Here are steps on how to create basic slideshow using Microsoft PowerPoint. You can make a basic slideshow using Microsoft PowerPoint, but you can also make a tremendous good presentation. And if you learn conversation skill a little bit, that will be like a miracle for you. For now situation, the world is connected with the internet, and that's why the knowledge, the way of knowledge taking and the way of learning is improved too much. Like, see, step 1 is given, like open Microsoft PowerPoint. How you will open the Microsoft PowerPoint? Like, you will go to the Google Play Store and you should download the Microsoft PowerPoint presentation app. Like, see, this image will seen on your mobile, and you should have to download the Microsoft PowerPoint app. For the login purpose, they will ask you email or the phone number. If you know email and its correct password, you can register by email, but beyond that it is pretty useful if you done it with the phone number. And if you done with the phone number, the OTP is sent on your phone number, and which is used for the login purpose in the first time for the Microsoft PowerPoint. Then you will start with the blank videos. Like, see, go to the file at the top of the screen and click new, choose blank presentation. You can choose blank presentation, or you can directly choose a thematic presentation, like already wallpapers were there in their background, or any of the templates from the right side of your screen. Click to new presentation and one. Now, see, students, you can do PowerPoint presentation in both the ways, like on Android mobiles you can do, because I know various students don't have computer to use, and that's why pretty useful. Like, you can do PowerPoint presentation on your Android mobile also, and the laptop or PC or tab, anything you can do on that also. That is both are the useful, and both function like equal one. Then stay in the step 3, you have to select the slide design For this, you may choose a different color and design from your templates by clicking on design button and the menu option. See, here is a design button given. Here you will see, like, here is file button, next one is home button, next one is insert button, and the next one is design button. From this design button, you will select the various designs, like how the PPT will look like, and you can select which design you like the most, or which is good and useful for your content. Now step 4 is given as adding text. You can do enter your text by clicking and then typing in the box title. Click to add text and click to add title on the slide first. You will add title on the slide first, so that in this click to add title, here when you click on this, here will be you will got a cursor like front cursor, and in that when you click on that cursor, your automatic pad will be generated, like when you type on the WhatsApp also the pad will generate, and you should select the words, like if you want to make the PPT in Marathi language, you will select Marathi language, but if you want to make the PPT for English literature, you will select the English language, and whichever title you are making for, you will put it down and complete it. Okay, now the next one will be like step 5 is given, like adding pictures. In this you can add picture also. For the picture addition, you should go to the insert in the file and click on picture. Where is insert button? Now see, in this video I will tell you here is a insert button. Like see, in this column you find file, home and insert. In this you should go to insert button and you should select the picture, add the picture, like the button, and when you will click on the pictures to add pictures from your computer, or just drag and drop the pictures on slide layout from the folder in your computer. Then the step 6 is also given, like see, here are various pictures are given also. I was thinking like this is only theoretic, how the student can understand. See, here is a format is given, like you should select, like from this picture you are seeing the lion is given, and in this picture you have given like how you will add the title or a format for titling your or making your PPT. Then what to do? Then resizing the picture. How will you resize the picture? You may change the size of your picture by clicking on the picture. The picture will have black lines around it with small bubbles or boxes in the corners. Place your mouse over the bubbles or boxes and click. Holding the mouse pointer down, drag the picture to the size you want. Various image formatting tools can be accessed from the format in the menu. See, for dragging, or if you want to crop this image for a while, you should use like this box, and you will like complete and touch here, and you will drag up to here the screen, so that your picture will be short. Like you send various images on WhatsApp also, I think so, and in that you crop the images. In the same way you can crop the images in the PowerPoint presentation also. It is so easy to make. Like see, the picture will then have black lines around it with small bubbles or boxes in the corners. Place your mouse over the bubbles or boxes and click. Holding the mouse pointer down, drag the picture to the size you want. Various image formatting tools can be accessed from format in the menu. In this way, resizing pictures can be done. Now next one is like step 7. What is the step 7? It is add transition, like add effects to your presentation by selecting different transition modes for different slides from transition in the menu. The next one is given like step 8. Step 8 is given as you are done. How? Wasn't that easy? Now you can do it again. To make more slides, select design of your new slides from new slides button under home menu. Keep adding. Now in the step 9, you will like go live, start your slideshow. Click from the beginning button under the slideshow in the menu. Now see, You will rearrange the following steps by creating a PowerPoint slide in proper sequence, like save your slide in Start Slideshow from the beginning. Then you will click New, create blank presentation for new slide if you want. Add picture by clicking Insert button. If you want to add a picture, you will click on Insert button and add picture. Click Design to choose the color, and Design template. You can make various use various design template. If you see my previous videos carefully, you will see the various design templates I have used. Click to add text and title in the slide. Add new slide from home menu. Resize your pictures or graphics. Open Microsoft Point. Add effects from transition menu. Then follow the given slides like handout on the types of sentence given below. Create similar slides handouts one on the given topic like pollution, mode of transport, our solar system, the United Nations. Here are various types of sentences given like slide 1, slide 2, slide 3 and slide 4. In the first slide, types of sentence, like if you want to present any type of sentence presented by, you can write your name, your school name also. Then in slide second, like definition of sentence, if you want to make a sentence like anything, you can write like a group of meaningful words that convey sense and is complete in itself. In slide 3, you can write like types of sentence that are assertive, imperative, interrogative and exclamatory. On slide 4, you can add like assertive means what? It is used for making sentence, imperative for make request or give order or command, interrogative for ask question, WH verbal, exclamatory strong expressions are used. And in slide 5, like sentence type contains mainly, ends with, assertive, subject, full stop, imperative, verb, full stop, interrogative like WH question, you can add this type of WH questions also. Exclamatory, it is an interjection, and see here the image is also given. Like lastly, you can add like thank you section for this also. Now you see tips for writing an effective slides handout. In this, begin with writing title and name of the presenter on the slide 1. Second is write point you want to explain in main bullet points in slide 2. Give meaningful definition and examples in bullet points. Then use aphoristic style of language. Give only main points. Then you can give your contact number or email ID or feedback towards the end, so that your presentation will look like effective way. Another some important tips are like for making an effective PowerPoint presentation. While speaking, show your passion and use positive body gestures. Start strongly. Try to connect with your audience using proper tone. Then keep it simple. Concentrate on your core message. Like smile and make eye contact with your audience. Then conclude on positive note. Please, all the students, you must remember that anything you will do, you should conclude with a positive notes, not a negative notes. Okay. Then the 10-20-30 rule power of PowerPoint. What is given like that? If you are not familiar with the 10-20-30 rule of PowerPoint created way back in 2005 by Gau Kabaski, here's how it goes. The most effective PowerPoint presentation should contain no more than 10 slides, like see. Last no longer than 20 minutes and features font no smaller than 30 points. Have you get the all points correctly? In this way, we complete an interesting session of live English. Okay. In our very next video, we will complete if what is like if poem, and startingly we will start with the warming up and chit chat section. Then we will go for the explanation. See you soon.